Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is India signs agreement to protect marine life. India has taken a big step to protect ocean life by signing an important international agreement called the Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction BBNJ Agreement or the Treaty of the High Seas. This agreement was signed by India's External Affairs Minister at the United Nations General Assembly in New York on 25th September 2024. The goal of the BBNJ agreement is to protect marine life in areas of the ocean that are not owned by any one country. These areas start 370 kilometers from any country's coastline and cover two-thirds of the world's oceans. The agreement helps countries use ocean resources in a sustainable way, meaning they can't claim these resources for themselves. It also ensures that benefits from marine life are shared fairly between countries. The treaty encourages an inclusive approach that combines traditional knowledge and modern science to protect the ocean. It sets rules for countries to follow when planning activities in the high seas, like conducting environmental impact assessments to avoid harm to marine ecosystems. Treaty of the High Seas. The High Seas Treaty, formerly known as the Agreement on Conservation and Sustainable Use of Marine Biological Diversity of Areas Beyond National Jurisdiction, represents a significant milestone in international marine governance. It was signed on 20th September 2023 during the United Nations High-Level Week in New York. This treaty aims to protect and sustainably manage marine biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction, which constitute about 64% of the ocean and 95% of its volume. Now it's time for the practice question. Which ocean governance framework does the High Seas Treaty operate under? Paris Agreement, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or Convention on Biological Diversity? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.